Looking to add a magical glow to your home, party, or holiday setup? Curtain lights are the perfect way to transform any space into a cozy, enchanting retreat. Whether you're decorating for a wedding, festive celebration, or just want to elevate your bedroom or patio, the right curtain lights make all the difference. Here are the top 5 best curtain lights that combine beauty, functionality, and ease of use for stunning results. Number 1. Twinkle Star LED Window Curtain Light. The Twinkle Star LED Window Curtain Light is the perfect way to add a magical touch to any space, whether it's for a holiday celebration or everyday ambience. With 8 lighting modes, including combination, waves, sequential, slogs, chasing, flash, slow fade, twinkles, flash, and steady on, you can easily create the mood you desire with just the push of a button. Crafted with excellent quality, the curtain light measures 6.6 feet by 9.8 feet and features 300 warm white LEDs, delivering a soft, elegant glow. The lights are powered by a safe 29V UL certified transformer, making them both reliable and energy efficient. Setting up is a breeze, just plug and unplug using a standard US outlet, 110V, and with a 9.9 feet leading wire, you'll have flexibility in placement. Designed with IP44 waterproofing, they are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're decorating for Christmas, weddings, Valentine's Day, or simply enhancing your window, wall, or patio, these lights deliver a stunning visual experience. Note: curtain not included, lights are intended for decorative use with existing drapes. Bring warmth and charm into your space with Twinkle Star. Number 2. JMEXSUS Remote Control Curtain Lights. Transform any space into a glowing wonderland with the JMEXSUS Remote Control Curtain Lights. Measuring 9.8 by 9.8 feet and featuring 300 warm white LEDs across 10 strands, these fairy curtain lights deliver a radiant display that beautifully covers large windows and walls. Each strand holds 30 LEDs, and for a denser look, you can use clips or zip ties to space them closer together. Enjoy 8 enchanting lighting modes, including combination, wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing, a flash, slow fade, twinkles, flash, and steady on, to match any mood or occasion. Whether it's for a wedding, birthday, Diwali, or Christmas, these lights set the perfect tone. Note: these lights cannot be connected end-to-end. Designed with safety and durability in mind, the curtain lights include a UL-listed 30V low-voltage plug, soft-touch lighting, and a sturdy plastic covering, much stronger than thin copper alternatives. While the plug should be kept dry, the lights themselves are IP44 waterproof, ideal for indoor and outdoor use. From bedrooms to pergolas, these curtain lights add a festive, romantic ambience. Let JMEXSUS lights craft a warm, magical backdrop for every cherished celebration and daily delight. Number 3. Brightown 300 LED Curtain String Lights. Create a magical ambience with the Brightown 300 LED curtain string lights, measuring 9.8 foot x 9.8 feet and featuring 300 warm white LEDs across 12 strands. With 8 lighting modes, including combination, waves, slow glow, and steady on, plus a memory function that remembers your last setting, these lights make decorating effortless and enchanting. A handy remote control offers adjustable brightness, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%, and a 6-hour timer function, 6 hours on, 18 hours off, letting you customize your display without ever leaving your seat. The connectable design allows you to link up to 4 sets together for larger areas. Just place the controller on the first strand to operate all connected lights from a single remote. Crafted with durable silver wire and rated IP44 waterproof, these lights are safe for both indoor and outdoor use. Note: keep the adapter dry. Powered by a low-voltage 5V system, they stay cool to the touch, making them ideal for use around children or delicate surfaces. Perfect for dorms, bedrooms, weddings, Christmas, or parties, Brightown lights bring elegance, versatility, and safety to your festive decor. Number 4. Only Waterproof Outdoor Curtain Lights. Elevate your space with the Only Waterproof Outdoor Curtain Lights, a premium lighting solution designed for both beauty and convenience. Measuring 9.8 by 9.8 feet, this set features embedded light beads that create a sleek, smooth look with no bulging, and a tangle-free design ensures effortless setup and storage. With 10 built-in hooks, installation is quick and hassle-free. Built to withstand the elements, these curtain lights boast an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, making them perfect for outdoor use in rain, wind, or dusty environments. Whether for patios, porches, or backyard events, they add a vibrant glow to any setting. Thanks to their connectable design, you can link up to 3 sets together to illuminate larger spaces and create a truly magical atmosphere. The remote control offers 8 lighting modes, 3 timer options, and 4 brightness levels, allowing you to fully customize your experience. A built-in memory function retains your preferred settings, so each time you switch them on, your lights return just the way you like them. Package includes curtain lights, remote, and user manual, curtain not included. Only makes festive decorating smart, stylish, and stress-free. Number 5. Lighting Ever 306 LED Curtain Lights. Create a breathtaking ambience with the Lighting Ever 306 LED curtain lights, designed for those who want a denser, more enchanting glow. With 18 vertical strands spaced just 6.9 inches apart, these curtain lights offer a fuller, more captivating display compared to typical 10-strand versions. Measuring 9.8 for foot x 9.8 for feet, they're perfect for covering standard windows, walls, or draping over pergolas, balconies, or bedroom backdrops. The 8 lighting modes, including 7 blinking effects and a steady-on option, let you match your decor to any occasion, from cozy nights to festive gatherings. Safety is paramount with these lights. They come with an ETL-certified 30V DC transformer, staying cool to the touch and safe for long-term use. Plus, the built-in memory function remembers your last setting, saving you the hassle of resetting every time. Ideal for year-round decoration, these fairy curtain lights add magic to weddings, Christmas, themed parties, or simple everyday ambience. Hang them over tapestries, drapes, macrame, or railings for a stunning visual. Note: do not cut to size, tie strands shorter with included ties if needed. Let Lighting Ever light up your space with warmth and charm.